Big disappointment yesterday from the crypto summit in the White House, as nothing really significant was announced in terms of bullish news for crypto. Today, I need to go through everything you need to know about what happened yesterday. I will also talk about Bitcoin, we'll talk about altcoins, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, XRP, the crypto markets in general, guys. So make sure to stick around from the beginning until the end of this video. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day, teaching you how to make money in this market. If you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe and activate the bell right now. And yes, guys, yesterday we did see the summit in the White House, and I will go through everything you need to know from that actual event here in a little bit. First, let us quickly talk about Bitcoin here. You can see that we've been rejected now 3 times off of my yellow dotted line. 1, 2, 3, and we were approaching actually my orange line at $95,000 here, but we didn't manage to go all the way up here. In fact, you can see that the trend of us making lower highs continues here, but also we can see that we have made higher lows consistently here until these last few days, where we have also seen lower or actually like equal or lower lows. So that is something we need to be aware of right now. And I still think that this level at $81,000 is going to remain very, very strong support here if Bitcoin were to see another drop. Overall, guys, I think that a lot of the bullish catalysts that people have been anticipating for crypto and for Bitcoin, a lot of the bullish catalysts have already played out. We have the Bitcoin reserve, we have the crypto summit, we have the ETFs, we have most of the things that we could hope for. In 2025, we already have them. But for now, I still think that the short-term effects of Donald Trump being president, people are still overestimating a little bit, although like people are realizing the reality right now that it's more long-term bullish. And I will talk about the long-term here in a little bit. But for now, I think that we will continue to see some more consolidation here, but big support at $81,000 and big resistance at $95,000 and this yellow dotted line, which is currently at about $90,000. So those are the levels that I'm watching right now. I'm still bullish mid and long term here for Bitcoin, and I do think that this is, like I said, big support if we were to come back down here to this level. Quickly looking at Ethereum, you can see that Ethereum also on the daily time frame made a new low here yesterday. So you can see that we are now at the lowest level we've been since basically at the beginning of 2024. So Ethereum not looking super good here. We will have to keep our eyes on that. If you look at Solana, you can see that Solana is still finding support of my $135 level. Looking at Dogecoin, still not looking super good for Dogecoin. Cardano is right now finding support of my 80-cent level. So Cardano looking a little bit better with some of the key support levels still holding strong here on the structure. So if you look at XRP as well, you can see that the daily candle yesterday was trying to stay above this orange line at $2.40. Now we have opened today's candle actually below this, but let's see where we are going to close here. If we close below this point here for XRP, then next level of support could be $1.95. So if you look at the total chart, you can see that we failed to break through the key resistance here for the total chart as well. So rejection and next level of support, $2.59 trillion. But yeah, here it is more like this is a very key level, and the last time we went down to this point, you can see we had a big bounce. And same thing for the others chart. You can see that we are right now right on the support level right here. So these are very key levels. So for the others chart and for the total chart. So this is the others chart. So we are right above the support right here. So we want for the bullish momentum to, I wouldn't say stay intact, because we have been in a very clear downtrend here, but for this to be a potential bottom, we need to see some more convincing price action here, because same thing with the others chart, we're making a trend of making lower lows and lower highs. Now here's the thing, the reason why we are not continuing towards the downside here is because of the orange line, this big support level here holding up this general consolidation here. If we didn't have that, this would just continue towards the downside. That is why this is so important to keep track of right now. If we fail this, if we start to consolidate below this point, then I am expecting us to break down lower here for the others chart. So that is something we need to be aware of. And the reason why you're seeing some more bearish sentiment around these altcoins right now is because of the stuff that has been happening in the last few days. So we went from Donald Trump announcing the market, like we're expecting Donald Trump to create a strategic reserve made up of Cardano, XRP, Solana, and Ethereum and Bitcoin. So that is what was communicated a few days ago, as you know, with this big candle right here, right? And then we saw a pullback right here. Because, in fact, if you look at the announcement, Donald Trump actually, or David Sachs, came out and said that the reason why he mentioned Solana, XRP, and Cardano was only because they are top altcoins by market cap. So there's something fishy going on here. So he mentioned them because they were top altcoins by market cap, but he did not mention BNB, which is interesting because I'm pretty sure that BNB is above Solana. In fact, let me go and check that right now. So let us have a look here. So yes, you can see that BNB is not only above Solana, it's also above Cardano. So yeah, why did he not mention BNB? Is it because he's associated with CZ, who is associated potentially with China? I don't know, but here's the thing. This caused a lot of pessimism from the altcoin market, and you saw a pullback here for the entire crypto space, in fact. Now, I remain bullish. If you look at the traditional markets, also traditional markets is still in a free fall, although we have seen from my orange line here a very key level of support. So I will keep watching this, but for now, I remain bullish, guys. I remain bullish, but there's a huge update coming in the next few days, guys. I will try to get it out tomorrow. It has to do with the trading strategies. So this is going to be absolutely massive. So make sure to subscribe, activate the bell, guys. I will try to get it out tomorrow. There's just some small preparations still I need to do for this. Speaking of my trading strategies, currently all of them are the current batch of strategies I have. Overall, they are down $458,000. And also my Bitcoin bot is now below range because we're below $88,000. So yeah, this flips back and forth here, guys. We're right on the edge. But my second Bitcoin bot is, of course, still trading here, which has a lower range. So we'll continue to update you on all of these things, guys. But yeah, that is the situation right now. Let us now continue and talk about what happened yesterday at the Crypto Summit in the White House. So there was a couple of expectations on this event. First, was he going to talk about something more about the strategic reserves? Was he going to announce that there was going to be tax exemptions for crypto? Well, that did not end up happening. So people were anticipating him to come out and say that there's going to be no tax on crypto, but no mention of that has been made at the White House Crypto Summit. And then he had a press conference at about 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and a lot of people were expecting him to talk about crypto and all of these things. Instead, what he did is he talked about FIFA. So as you know, guys, the next World Cup is going to be in the United States, and he announced that they are going to launch FIFA coin. So yeah, I mean, this also came as a big negative surprise to the market here. They were expecting him to maybe say something about the crypto reserves or buying more Bitcoin or anything else. But he announced that they are looking to go into a new meme coin here, or a new kind of coin here for the World Cup, which he says that coin may be worth more than FIFA in the end. It could be quite a coin, actually. So this is what he said. Other than that, what did he say? He said also at the Crypto Summit. So this is a picture from that actual statement. So he said, "Never sell your Bitcoin. That's a little phrase that they say. I don't know if they are right or not. Who the hell knows?" And Michael Saylor reacted like this to that statement. So overall, guys, the Crypto Summit, like we still don't know what private discussions happened at this event. We only have the public stuff, we only have the press conference, and we have these things. So we don't know the discussions, the conversations that have been happening between all of these industry leaders and Donald Trump or whatever. But let's say this, the market was expecting more here. The market had higher expectations and they are disappointed, and that is why we went down here. Admittedly, we didn't go down too much, but yeah, that is what happened. And also what I will say is that a statement like this make it seem like Donald Trump is just doing this to please the crypto crowd because the crypto crowd helped him win the election, and that he doesn't really care about crypto. I have some more examples of this. Him launching the meme coin, and then he said, when he was asked about the meme coin, he said that he don't really know a lot about the Trump meme coin and he's not really that involved in it. So this is one of the things that makes it seem like he don't really care about crypto. And then you have this statement as well saying, who the hell knows if Bitcoin is going to go up or down. With the strategic Bitcoin reserve, he said something along the lines like, okay, right, we made this promise, so we're going to keep this promise. But and then he asked the guy that was reading up the statement, he said, are you bullish on crypto? And the guy said yes. And then he said, okay, well then let's continue and sign this order. So these are just like some things that make it seem like he don't really care about crypto. But nonetheless, even if he don't care about crypto, or he cares about crypto, maybe he just cares about it because it is going to make him more wealthy. He's going to make money from it. But here's the thing, all of the things that has already been announced, the strategic Bitcoin reserve, extremely bullish. The fact that banks, and let me show you this, banks are now able to custody crypto and certain stablecoin activities without approval. So this is massive. This is absolutely huge. The fact that he dismantled the SEC, they went after most crypto projects. Gary Gensler is fired. You have pro-crypto people in office. You have all of these things, and it is extremely bullish, guys, long term. But short term, of course, it's going to be volatility, and don't underestimate the long-term effects, but don't overestimate the short-term effects. For me, I am bullish, but I am expecting sideways action. I'm expecting volatility, but it's only a matter of time until we go up to higher prices, guys. So yeah, that is really what I want to talk about today. Big update, like I said, to the trading strategies coming. If you want to use my trading strategies, go down to the description of this video, claim the bonuses first sign up, and then claim the bonuses using this link right here. Then you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Doge, Cardano, XRP with these links. So make sure to take advantage of that. And also take advantage of insane deposit bonuses on LBank. If you want to trade, then sign up to LBank right now. You are able to get, just for signing up, you're able to get 30 USDT to trade with. So 10x leverage, you can trade with $300. You can make some profit on that, and then you can take those profits and multiply it as well. So it doesn't cost you anything at all, just KYC and you get this. So make sure to take advantage of that. And then you have additional bonuses as well if you do decide to deposit into the exchange. So you have that link at the top of the description. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.